modify the code so that the top cylinder goes twice with 2 seconds interval, and then the bottom cylinder goes once and holds for 3 seconds, like it's doing right now, but I'm able to go back after 3 seconds because the solenoid here is master. So I'm going to demo that. So I will start a full cycle. I'll press the bottom reset. Okay, so that goes once, goes for 2 seconds, goes back, goes again, goes for 2 seconds, back. Then the bottom one goes for 1, 2, 3 seconds, but it's unable to go back because of the solenoid. So I'm going to manually put it back. Okay, and the cycle repeats.
The original program was the double acting cylinder extends and holds for 2 seconds before extracting twice, and then the single acting cylinder will extend and hold for 3 seconds before repeating the process. Our goal was to change what does what, and that was to have the single acting cylinder extend and hold for 2 seconds before extracting twice, and the double acting cylinder extends and holds for 3 seconds before repeating the process. And to do that, we went to the main source right here and changed single to double, and double to single, and that would completed the process and helped the program.
This is Andrey, and I'm going to be explaining the commenting on the code. Network 1 is the start button. Network 2 is the counter for double actuator and single actuator retract sensors. Network 3 is where it checks to see if integer is less than 1 for double actuator. Network 4 is where it checks to see if integer is equal to or greater than 1 for the single actuator. And network 5 is the stop button. For the double actuator program block, the comments for this is, for network 1, if the double actuator retract sensor and CR1 are detected, it extends. The timer for how long the double actuator extends and then resets. When double actuator retract sensor is detected, it resets. Comments for single actuator is, when the single actuator retract sensor and CR1 are detected, it extends. And for the network 2, the timer for how long the single actuator extends then resets. Those are all the comments for each program block.